Welcome to Daily English Learning. We provide easy-to-understand English learning videos every day. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced learner, you will find content that suits you here. Subscribe to us and improve a little bit every day. Ease off. He needs to ease off. The weather is starting to ease off. Eat out. We decided to eat out tonight. We eat out every Friday. Edge out. He edged out his opponent in the race. The company edged out competitors in the market. Eke out. They eke out a living. She tries to eke out her schedule. Embark on. We are about to embark on a new journey. He decided to embark on learning a new language. Empty out. Please empty out the trash can. She emptied out everything in the drawer. Engage in. They enjoy engaging in community activities. The students actively engage in discussions. Enlist in. He decided to enlist in the army to serve the country. She plans to enlist in the military for educational benefits. Enter into. They entered into a new partnership. The company entered into a significant agreement. Even out. I need to even out these numbers. The road needs to be evened out. Excel in. She excels in mathematics. He excels in sports. Exposed to. Being exposed to sunlight for too long is bad. She was first exposed to these ideas. Extend to. The road extends to the foot of the mountain. The invitation extends to all family members. Eye up. He is eyeing up that piece of clothing. She is eyeing up his new car. Ease into. He needs time to ease into the new job. We help new employees ease into the team. Edge up. Stock prices are edging up. Rents are edging up slowly. Embody in. These values are embodied in his work. The design concept is embodied in this building. Inquire about. She called to inquire about the flight details. They want to inquire about the course. Face up to. He decided to face up to the real issues. Everyone needs to face up to their fears. Fade away. His voice faded away into the night. The colors in the old photo have faded away. Fall back on. When plans fail, we always fall back on his advice. When he lost his job, he had to fall back on his savings. Fall for. He always falls for scams. She fell for that story. Fall out. They fell out over a small matter. They haven't spoken since they fell out. Fall through. The deal fell through. All the arrangements fell through in the end. Feed off. Cows feed off grass. He feeds off the energy of others. Feel for. I really feel for her situation. Everyone feels for him losing his loved one. Figure out. He tried to figure out the answer. She finally figured out what to do. Fill in. Please fill in this form. She was asked to fill in for the absent colleague. Fill out. He needs to fill out the application. She began to fill out her figure. Fill up. We need to fill up on gas on the way. The kettle has been filled up. Find out. I found out the secret. She found out she passed the exam. Fit in. He quickly fit in with the new environment. She struggled to fit in at the new school. Fix up. They planned to fix up the old car. She spent the whole day fixing up the house. Focus on. He needs to focus on his research. She focuses on improving her skills. Follow through. He always follows through with his plans. She promised to follow through. Frown upon. The teacher frowns upon tardiness. Such behavior is frowned upon here. Freeze up. Pipes can freeze up in cold weather. She froze up when speaking in front of the crowd. Fight off. He is trying to fight off a cold. She successfully fought off temptation. Fool around. The kids are fooling around in the garden. He fools around instead of working. Fade out. The music faded out. The colors in the picture are starting to fade out. Thank you for watching.